Oboroso bw'omugusi.
Manchumo rigereria Bwensoko TV na gukwandire andonsi asore no gusaba kwanenga gwatware ritukurigia itukeriga rie sabato na kwegokire nemeroberio ya gendrera sembe okurubwaga kieto ikachinga kechiga oboiga no botuko bwa 11 asomotinyo gatano na kabere mwaka bwechiri bobere 25 nemo ensane ya mokuriga subo gatagati bo mocho Nairobi asense ya Kenya nchinkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi aseri bagaria ya Kelvin Mogoi oyor mega yechi kamera na boigo Felistas Kabendi kurwase studio ya kabere to sabiro karansoike obenainto kurbono oika omwero tukomanye aya enekiwe kurwase chinsemo au manchumo rigere nyora boigo na bokubwatia mesega ya maiya kurwensoko ensa yamo wetera semitandao itoekerero Facebook na YouTube buna Ensoko TV wasase mitandao ya nebuna Clinton Ndigi mesema ya kurwensoko ensa yamo achakira bon. Karibu sana mwanchumo rigereria boigo ngo kuinyoria hobotuko bwarero gochakira ensa yamo nenusu tuchugotware nkwana ya bene asetura chi kumurikira hoborai bobasubati na boige mirobirio ekweni barakwiriga gwesonania ase oborai hanne muno obwage siasa asobotuko bwarero mogenito ase studio ni gara chi koba Ann Mwasi oyore neganga yokoria ekirugo kyo senator ase account ya Nyamira sobachorio bonene bori bosi umwaka bwechirubere 25 na ibere oyoro mwaka gocha igo sangana intwe chinga kecho chigoika gochakira ensa monenu sobotuko bwarero kurenda sebonega tugochakana robotiro kubwatia ase abasahe au kurwa ase ebunge ya Nyaribari chache county ya Kisii bakorwa na engineer Henry Otara oyo omubaso bwerituko ria igoro banyarte ko baba okoro kurobekana ko marembe ime yechiro ya Keumbu ase baruro kuboria gochia ase abamenyi abayigo abonchoria bechire yo bagendere kubeka omurembe kira engaki na ase baira libagerio ryo kuboria serikali enyare ko bage kwenekia buna nichikwimuke gatambokero gochia ase bari bonsi banyarte ko bakobwatira ni gwase obosari obwanyara ko babo kweneki wachinga kya barayi kurwa sensemeria ya Linda Mwananchi bayanegatie etaro yabo ase echireyo
tekoira ningambi ya mono ase ngencho abakori emirimo ba Keumbu abanyabiasara abaoni abake abakoni mesie amatoke chinchugu avocado yani abantu bali batabwati enjerende yo wekinia abantu mbale batumetuga bagacha gosaria echiro yaito nje buno morisi tindiko baragereria igonta etego sabanganya saba konye barwase bale baiche bamanyenga echire yeiga igero aso konya bangina amona abana baito bali batali kwenyara omwaka nya Simeon Maremu na akora siasa agaiga abantu bali batari gosoasa asale nigo ari gutumana report boyigwa bagenda baigwe mirimo bagenda bali kukapanzora abande sansora tali bakobwatu na goitwa magana egekorekana giakoreka ntase echiro yaito gaiga negente ekebe nande ekebe mono nakiekore otwachira ase echiro ya Keumbu gokoreto omorembe gokora amasaba ase echire erinda bakori emirimo ba Keumbu ebiasara bya Keumbu tibi basa gosari gunone ritukerimo erinde bigenderere abantu bekini buna konya bare gwekini egwiki ya mochi wiki biro chimayaga iga biasara bya Keumbu biasarekire bantu mbabwati none ndagira bakori nyomba abamenyi bamenyeta abakoni mose bamanya gwaka ne nyomba basinyiru gwaka ne nyomba gosobono
na inche buna omonyaribali monokuru nyaribali chache na baba minto mwezi motoroche tolega iga tuabeire toko akachikura somolembe nyaribali chache na kende kionse karo giakabeire Kenya ngima no nyene serikali babo moino bali gotamago cha barara seito mata unya chae ntuanya kororeke lakini ekero korora nga abana sabana baito toiborete bagwaka na toligereraniti gento getanya ko banyaribali chache ose nyaribali engima amatuka yonse igwatu wage kondemri nyasaye kente kenande ngeji koirorera ngakiende kura yao kora no morembe onie biasara biao no morembe no yonde nere tigakore party yae kiro morembe egento kirora mwana inchi oyo na yo kawaida na muenga ichi kura chigokara kichigo
Toska basio mwancho murigera sorbo tironde niko bono kuria hekerogo kyobu MCA hase ewadi ye rigoma umanyakainde buna Johnson Mari anyara ko baga kuboria habasae batige gutumika bobe na bana siasa sokolenta chibura buru hanne mono asaka korekia ne kiwa bwangu gase ichiro ya Kiumbu boigo niko bona basabire babe abatoereru baineke omurembe na kugenderia no bonchiroria bwabo okwana nigetaseni kigagie nsoko TV niko bona hatebire gatia magendro ayo atarabakago ikirani gwase wadi eyu niko bona hali chipara chinyagitari negatia
na kwanira egekorekano kia korekana ari ase umuchio Kiumbu ase abasubati baitu nabasae baba gutumika bube nabana siasa ekarete picture mbesana ase nse yaito ya Kenya nga umugusi ongere uitana bweka baka tosireti oyo moito utigira abana baye rore kiagera ntumenye tinga kia abana barache bakine gutatige toko batigira Nyasaye ngotebya abantu baminto iga bagusi kamuranche especially abasae titoga ni gutumika bobe nabana siasa asogo salio morembe kiagera igese kubyito kia mambi igokera arua storent buna abasae toise gosalia omorembe bono iga nto kunyara gotenena asinge jogo kinigesa kubyito gosaba abasae nga emeremo ne mengere Kenya ye baranyare gokora benyorere ngeria yabo yo wikine gose gukine che familia chiabo kamuranche ligemerme yera abakonye na limuranyare gukine chinga chino libaga mu gutumika nabana siasa bobe yagera omorembo salikaneria talia salika naende yanyarekananga no kogende echera na boko gende ikiagerekero gwasalio morembe gose kwarwaniri omuntu gose gwaitira omuntu nabo gosibwa kare na kare yatokanga omwana siasa uri ogotumete erete iyo naye bwie kutigarete bono nkwira na abantu baminto bigwodi erigoma ntumanyete mechando tubugate ande kene nkiringa ntuntori kurwani onde gose kuramonde nga kiatara koreke na kiria igasineta keire korwe nandi tutagete omuntu gotegerera abantu asoko bakorere mirimo muruche buna chipara chito chire salegete abange na baito ababa gotu basinyiru kogenda chindoje kubucha amache tolengerete nga kiturakore tonyore amache aikerekero yo maso muchioye banyako abakubucha amache na korosie ndagire kiagera amache n'ubugima tinya gitari cheito there can be a slight improvement ya sinya gitari cheito lakini eline kero tu aboria maswali ya mange especially nya gitari ya nere ange nanka gose ye word ekorgukeroka ya improve because into atema kuboria utatigarende tereika to those standards tutagete buno mwana inchi wetani yonse nduga nitokonya basaya baito asamangane empowerment chibese inchiro na bese mugavana tago tutainga bese nchie county kiagere serikali nkurwere ande kwa kana tore revenue igabasaya baito ntuga nitubarigiriri ine erenchera yuka turabakonye batigi gutumika nabana siasa njabuno musayebu abange tinga netintume komo sayebube ase okoreta iburaburu asa abantu baito ligonga netintume komo sae asoko muagacha nali aranyare kwegendereria arosiigese kukiaye Kenya yaitegendere na gusija itekine
Tukoska basio mwanchomo rigaria mokonyi umurai wiki amagia Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i niko bono ASO kiria na komoche kiombe rigeterere toba chori ne chimbebe aiga Kenya kia IEBC asebona atebire nigo kiombe kyo kia orokirie buna tiketi tayari guchikone kia hoba chori obobwene no bwasio komwa kogocha aiga nkubwatekana nemero video Matiang'i agoteba egendrete kone kiwa irima mincha neri chika sensemo ye bunge ya Olkalau ubusio boba chori obokachari kombination nemo chomotienyo.
I would like the chairman of IEBC and his commissioners, and I know some of them from their workplaces. I can Professor Adwal and so on. I worked with them when I was VC. I know some of them. I can't say they are dumb people. They are smart people. But I want them to go sit in the room and ask themselves this question. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being highest possible confidence and 1 being the least confidence, where do they rank in Kenya? In my view, they are falling below 5 in terms of confidence. The IEBC is watching blatantly when the government is engaged in historic bribery and vote by history. It has never happened in Kenya. What we are seeing now is sometimes you wonder whether it is a government that is desperate. I don't know why this government is so desperate to win that seat. They are so desperate that they are doing incredible things. I mean, all of you guys have seen the mattresses, gas cookers, what have you, boats. You have seen all those things happening. I want the chairman of IEBC today to remember Mr. Samuel Kivuitu and how this country to trouble after the 2007 general elections. Because the chairman of the Electoral Commission then said that even he did not know who actually won the election. Now, I don't know what language to use to express that. And what they are doing, the level of confidence in them, I want to say this boldly, the level of confidence in the IEBC is going below average. They're watching those things happening. And then the chairman comes to a press conference and speaks sheepishly, you know, as though he doesn't have powers to do. So, anangojea filimbi ya nani to act. He's waiting for who? Sasa kazi yake ni kupata orders from the executive branch of government. Have you seen abuse of the law? And it's as if actually the commission is insubordinate to the office of the president and to the executive branch of government. Now the chairman of IEBC has insubordinated himself to the president and to the government, when in actual fact he's the one who's going to moderate the electoral process through which the president has to renew his mandate or lose it. So what confidence Kenyans have that we are going to have a free and fair election with that kind of IEBC? They are walking Kenya to a crisis themselves, broad daylight. They're walking the country to a crisis. Because if they don't manage the election, if what they are doing in Olkalau is what they are going to do in the general election, God forbid. I mean, how? What is going on? Cabinet ministers, you know, senior government officials, executive branch officials, principal secretaries, civil servants, blatantly engaged in a manner that shows that they are totally untouchable. I mean, surely.
Tokoska vosia sorbo tirondo mwanchu morigeria niko bondo morokia monene weskuru yoboroso ya Bokebo igotoke me yantimaru e county ya Kuria ensemo ya Kuria e county ya Migori hase Erieta Philip Mosabi achiro mutimoko maiga yoko enekia obokoreri bwaye asege ka miaka 15 niko bono Professor Constantine Matoke Nyamboga oyikira nasomo igoyo kurwase University ya Tangaza aradirie humoyega hoyo asatebire bono mera ya machibu ya borokiwa habu wasoka barigetigo so ase chi university ko bwatokwa nigo bona abodirie habaibori na boigo hegati aborkiwa abo machibu abo hataba gogetie banyare ko babakobeka emeroberio yogo so ase university atangaza wega somo igonde wokwenekia aborkiwa be school ya secondary ya St Paul's Igonga kwa nyorabare obosemia hime bunge ya Bonchari Professor Nyamboga nigo bona segetira aborkiwa bokobeka omokia na gotiga gosamba chi school muri kito Petwell machine no arenga sayo robotiro asenchiro wikira
Nasumiga bokwendo mutimoko maiga yogo kore merimo yobworo kebuno mworo kyomane na siskuru yoboroso yabo kebo gotoke Myantimaru Kuria county ya Migori Erieta Philip Mosabi asiga kimyaka 15 aigani go Professor Mboga kuro ya Tangaza magani ko yoka kwa nani gatugire Philip aso wikira nemerimo ya emia
nona rengere roga igasa kurko Ntimaru eyere Kuria Kuria sub county au Migori county onacha ko sherekea na abaminto abakuri mama na abaminto nacha ko sherekea enyangi yo minto Philip Mosabi konyore principal go headmaster yes school we abero for 15 good years digia igongo sababa Kuria bonsi ipi especially parents wabua tio musingi Philip nanya wetera ogosomi kwa nanya ragosomi abana buya na anya saa gancha barikiru
mugeni onde kwesiko mwaziri bwechini county ya Migori Andrew Mwera nigo akwandira nako basaba abayibuli kubwatirana eri gukora mochando bogosamba kuru ibikoro byanekiwe asubonga motka bwangiga.
I know that we have an issue that needs to be done. The Ministry of Education needs to come hand in hand. The parents our teachers, so that we can work in unison, so that we can help our schools to prosper. I want to encourage the pupils to always look for amicable ways of solving issues within our schools, instead of resorting to violence, instead of resorting to behaviors that are not godly. I want to encourage our students to resort to dialogue, so that we can always have a conversation with the issues that are affecting them, so that we can always successfully solve the issues that we have, instead of banning schools. And most of the times, these schools, we are the people, the parents, we are the people who will always have to, to reconstruct them.
Abana mubasomi basika abalimu besike abanyene basike n'abasasi okosamba kinyomba tuakanire kyara atokosamba kinyomba katuasambire abana basamba nande tuacha nande nituko chakora ninu muko chakwagacha
na maiga ya machibu ya borokiwa bagosoachi university akobwato kwa AKiga nigabo iboli baboriwe kwira abana babo ase university yatangaza ayo amachibu abo atabagogetia university chiri barangeretiwe
munabona Philip nato atabana tangaza igongo saba abayiboli ba mintese mwabeta results ntia chiteigoro a message yana neria monga kere simbali bo manyete toba ekikosi kiri mutagete kiagara ni maite results ya sogera ya coups abange mwanga kere jisimi mwali anjiranete ekaro mubwate chinsa monga kere jisimi mwakera nsoko TV na mukonore namba yana na mubolia ekaro mwanga keire toeresane abana bayinondolenga kingo bakonya omutie nyonde tare 17 baje tangaza kora program cheji degree na ndiko kora program chia TVET.
Take this opportunity to appeal to people from Migori County to join Tangaza. Tangaza is a smart university, it's a very good university. Please, all those who are yearning to join university courses to secure chances, Tangaza is there for you. Just feel most welcome. You can liaise with me to get contacts. I can connect with Professor Nyamboga so that you can meet your expectations. Parents, please make sure you assist your sons and daughters to join Tangaza University, but with the flexible fee payment. By joining Tangaza University, I can assure you, you'll never regret.
Encourage our students to join Tangaza University so that they can pursue the courses of their dreams. It is a university that is remarkable, and it is known, it is ISO certified, and I know that we are getting courses and programs that are that we require in the current society. They are marketable, and we have enough resources in terms of the education programs that we need for us to prosper.
Gasuma igonde wakwa borkiwa beskuru ya sekondaria St. Paul's igonga abo seme mebunge abonchari Professor Nyamboga segetera borkiwa bokobe komokia botambe na gotika gosamba chiskuru.
Felix Anemanas, mimi mwenyewe I'll buy you a phone of 38,000 shillings. And it is I am at the university called Tangaza. Tangaza is a university sponsored by the Catholics. The same way you hear of Strathmore is the university sponsored by Catholics. The way you hear of Catholic University of East Africa is also sponsored by the Catholics. And I will assure you for free, they are wonderful universities in terms of quality. The only universities that may give us a challenge will be only Aga Khan, and most likely United States International and Daystar. But again, many of you from the humble background, if you don't package yourself well, you may not qualify to join that, because sometimes you can get your A, but again, we must see that we do.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kore county ya Kisii, Chepethwell, Machin.
Tukuskabasi mwancho murigeria soroboti ronde murai wensi ya Kenya skule Ruto nigara igatia barai kuru ase serikali nene na serikali ya county ya Meru asogwikira na sumo igoyo mwa matanga wanikiwa sense meyo chinga kecho nigo murai wense aireri baga akomocha ba meriri baye abo babere bakwamerire miroberio ya serikali na bigo ya magendro ase chinsemo asaruro kobole gocha saba na inchi na barayo bachorere ko mubwatasia kone kyango ikirani ari chira chae cha magendro.
Msikuwe na wasiwasi. Unajua Waswahili wanasema debe. Ukiona mtu wako na kelele mingi ni kwa sababu ni debe tupu. Hakuna kitu ndani. Sio kama mnanielewa. Hawa watu mnaona wakizunguka na makelele. Ukiwauliza vile watoto wetu watasoma, hawajui. Ukiwauliza vile maji itapatikana, hawana mpango. Ukiwaambia vile tutakuwa na stima ya kutosha, they don't know. Ukiwauliza vile matibabu itakuwa Kenya, hawajui. Na ndio mnasikia kelele yao ni mingi. Lakini mimi nimewauliza macho kwa macho hawa watu ambao wanapiga kelele. Nimewauliza hawa wananchi ni watu wako na akili. Mimi naamini kila kiongozi anachaguliwa kwa ile kazi amefanya, kwa ile maono ako nayo. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Yes. Kwa hivyo nyinyi kama wananchi mtafanya mtihani ya kila kiongozi mwaka ujao. Kila kiongozi apimwe na kazi yake. Kuna hata wengine hawajui Antobetwe ni wapi na wanataka kupigiwa kura. Wewe utapigiwa kura hujui, alafu sijui kama tunaelewana my friends. Tuko pamoja? Kwa hivyo mimi nawauliza ndugu zangu watu wa hapa Igembe, kwa sababu tunataka tushirikiane na tunataka tufanye kazi pamoja. Mimi nawauliza tutembee pamoja, tufanye kazi pamoja. Ile mipango tuko nayo hapa mbele, Mungu atujalie, ndio tuweze kubadilisha taifa letu la Kenya. Mipango na maendeleo ya taifa letu la Kenya limechelewa, na imecheleweshwa na watu wa makelele mingi na kazi kidogo. Sio kama tunaelewana? Tuko pamoja? Si kila mtu atapimwa na ile kazi atafanya, si ndio? Yes. Mtu atueleze barabara gani ametengeneza, stima gani ametengeneza, maji watoto ngapi wamesomesha, matibabu amepanga namna gani. Mtu uweze kupiga tu kelele hapa one time kasongo sijui nini atupigiwe kura. Utapigiwa kura namna gani ba?
Toska basi mwancho murigereria muraiwe kiama kia siasa ya DCP Rigathi Gachagua kagukwana kurwase enkaya ya se county ya Nyeri ritkoria rero ekarene kyo kumerana negati ya ababwatani bage siasa kurwase nsemo ya Oljorolok niko bono airechinga kecho na komochia serikali asukobeka hemeroberio eri guturubania ensemeria yo kwameria serikali. Gachagua niko bono arokanire kumwigerera omokonyi bumuraiwe kiama ya Jubilee Fred Matiang'i uyu asama tukabwango iga obere ga kumurikerwa kubwatekana na ya negatiwe kirarengo muwaziri ase wizara ya Chisemi amo asokubwatiraniwa nendemero eria ya Ruaraka.
Anajaribu kugawanya United Opposition, kujaribu kutupiganisha. Saa hii wamemulika Matiang'i, wanataka kumuhangaisha ati ndio wamutishe ati aende kwa Kasongo. Hapo itwa Ruaraka kulikuwa na mambo ambaye koti imesema ililipwa kinyume na sheria, na wale ambaye walilipa wanatakiwa ati washtakiwe. Sasa wanatisha Fred Matiang'i, lakini Fred Matiang'i hakuhusika kulipa. Mtu analipa pesa ni yule alilipa hiyo pesa ni mtu ya Ruto anaitwa Belio Kipsang. So wewe William Ruto, kama kuna mtu ya kupelekwa kotini, Belio Kipsang, mtu ya kwenu Nandi, ukamate yeye upeleke kotini. Wale officers in plain clothes hatutaki walokalao. Tunataka police officers wakuwe na uniform, ndio tuwaone ni kazi gani wanafanya. Wale wanakuja na nguo ya raia kama wale wako huko wanaitwa Nairobi Sierra, na wale wengine wametoka Maragwa wameletwa na huyu Bete Maina, ndio goons. Police wako pale na mabuduki, walikuwa wanasukuka hapo na Prado tatu nyeusi bila number please. Wewe DIG Langat, if you are serious, order those police goons to leave Olkalau. Watoke waende pahali station, wamepewa kazi. Olkalau iko na police officers ya huko, iko OSPD, iko OCS, iko officers huko. Mbona watu wanatoka Murang'a wanakuja Olkalau? Mbona wanatoka Nairobi wanakuja Olkalau na wako na nguo ya raia? Hawa ndio goons hawa ya police. So before DIG you can say there will be no goons. First deal with the police goons. Deal with those goons who are in Olkalau now. Then we can trust you. Tusikie by tomorrow wameondoka. Kwa sababu wakiondoka tutajua.
Mwanchumo rigiriria se oroboti uruo ruaye Rigathi Gachagua chigo tuikechi dakika 25 igoro yensa emo ya bono marogoba tokuika omweja so kumanyari aenekiwe kurwa semesa ya maya kurensoko ensa megati ya na yande tochiko sanga gekoroga chinsa esato kurende boniga tokwiro mutimo komokega se studio ya kabere kinkwira na sensemo ya kabera segeka getari getambe tochiko so asenkwana ito ya beno butuko bwale robuna nachika gukumanya homageni tuno ara se studio Mheshimiwa Ann Mwasi oyore neganga yokoria hekerogo kebo senator se county Nyamira anne mona sobutuko bwale tokumurikira amange ayo akorotota hesabari yabasubati koria gwe sona ni asuburai na nne mono oburai bwa gisiasa tuskara sanga na intwe na boiga kerengere kyago ne riborio kurena turaseka getari getambe